Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a character that belongs to the world of fantasy television. He is a well-known character from the popular series Game of Thrones. Well, how do we say his name correctly? We may pronounce it as Varys, 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 Varys. Varys is known for his role as a master of whispers and a key player in the political intrigues of the series. His character is famous for his cunning and deep knowledge of the realm's secrets. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Varys, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.